Hello, Langtree Lions, and welcome to the 2019-2020 school year. My name is Melanie Keeter, and I'm one of the curriculum resource teachers here at Langtree Upper Academy. I'm really excited to show you today how to read your schedule because we've implemented a new 90-block A-Day, B-Day, 4x4 for the middle school. This schedule will help you get an opportunity to have your language arts and math classes every single day for 90 minutes. That's a wonderful opportunity for you to expand all of the different things that you're working on in those classes as you prepare for high school. It also gives you a chance to explore some of our electives, moving from 2 electives to 4 45-minute electives. So we're going to get started with our 7th grade schedule. You'll see here at the top the labels period, term, course, teacher, and room number. And beside, you'll see a table that I've created with A-Day and B-Day. I'm going to walk you through each of these classes and what they look like for the day. Let's start with period 1 and 2, also 21 and 22. Period 1 is the class you will go to every single day, first block. You see here on the schedule that it says period 1 and 2 and 21-22 because it's an English language arts class. That means that on both A-Day and B-Day, you will report to that English language arts class. Your second block for 7th grade will be your elective periods. Those classes on A-Day will be labeled as 3 and 4. So on A-Day, second block, you will go to, according to this schedule, PE, the first 45 minutes, and band the second 45 minutes. Now if you move down the schedule where 23 and 24 line up, you will see the B-Day elective classes, engineering and visual arts. That means that according to this schedule, you will go to engineering first for the first 45 minutes, and then visual arts for the second 45 minutes on B-Day. According to this schedule, 5th and 6th and 25 and 26 are the students' third block class. That's because, remember, math and ELA we will see every day for 90 minutes. So, third block, this student will see their math teacher on A-Day and B-Day. The fourth block, according to this schedule, is found in periods 7 and 8, as well as periods 27 and 28. Periods 7 and 8 are your A-Day social studies class, and period 27-28 are your B-Day science class. So that means that the student will go to social studies on A-Days for 90 minutes, and the student will go to science on B-Days for 90 minutes. Science, social studies, and electives are always on an A-Day, B-Day schedule. Remember that whatever it says for your period 1, that is where you're going to report for your first attendance period of the day. You will begin success in homeroom, and we're going to take attendance for the first 10 days in period 1. So it's really important that you follow that schedule. I hope this has been helpful, and I know we're going to have a great 2019-2020 school year. Thanks for watching. Bye.